Hey guys, I'm going to show you the difference between a Q800 Pro and an F800 Pro on video quality and sound quality, and show you a couple of video clips of what it looks like at nighttime as well. This first one, we're going to listen to the audio. Now just so you know, none of the video has been edited, none of the audio has been edited. This is raw footage from the camera. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the Q800 Pro. And you can hear quite a bit of a difference. It's much quieter. And at any time, if you make this video full screen, you can pause it and you can see the clarity of the signs on the side. Okay, now we're going to split the screen. F800 on top, Q800 on the bottom. And you can see the lighting difference on the Q800. Definitely looks a lot nicer. And the image is definitely sharper. Okay, let's do a freeze frame here. And you can just look at the sign on the side there and see the difference. Okay, let's do a full screen snapshot of the F800 and now the Q800. Okay, now this is a video footage. This is not paused yet. This is rolling. You can see the people inside.
You got me a can of pop? Yep.
Okay, we'll switch over to the Q800 Pro. Okay, so once again you can tell it's much quieter on the Q800.
You got me a can of pop? Yep.
Okay, we're going to split the screen here, and this is still filming. This is rolling. Okay, let's pause it. Okay, we'll start rolling again. Okay, now let's go into a nighttime shot here. If you notice, the Q800 definitely is brighter, but watch the signs when you go by. They're out of focus, they're blurred. And I'll pause it right up here. Okay, look at the difference. F800 is definitely much better at nighttime than the Q800, at least for clarity. Okay, thanks for watching everybody. That's basically it. This is not a review. This is just to show you the difference between the F800 and the new Q800 2K model. So you might want to stay with the F series rather than the Q. It's definitely better at nighttime and the audio is louder, but if you want a little extra sharpness, then you might want to go with the Q. So please like and subscribe, and down below let me know which camera you get. If you end up going with the F or the Q, I would love to hear all about it, and tell me what you think of the cameras. Thanks.